Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and removing the speaker grill if needed. This exposes the terminals. Once done, confirm which lug is positive and which is negative with your eyes and a meter. Polarity matters for phase. Make sure terminals are cool and clean. Corrosion prevents proper contact. Strip 10-12 mm of insulation from the speaker wire, twist the strands, and if available, crimp a ferrule or apply heat shrink. These prep steps ensure a secure, low-resistance connection before you change anything. You now remove the existing wiring by loosening the terminal screws or backing out the binding posts. Hold the conductor to prevent fraying. Once loose, extract the wire and check for any factory jumpers or buy wire links. Remove or preserve them per your system's design and label wires to avoid reversal. If posts are corroded or bent, clean gently with isopropyl and a fine file to restore contact area. Proper inspection prevents intermittent noise and preserves amplifier safety. You finish by seating the prepared conductor or connector into the correct terminal, positive to positive, negative to negative, and tighten until snug. Avoid over-torque that strips threads. Once installed, verify continuity and low resistance with a multimeter. Expect close to 0 ohms for short runs. Make sure phase is correct by playing a familiar track at low volume. If you hear thin sound or cancellation, immediately recheck polarity. Troubleshooting tip: if hum or dropouts occur, re-clean and red-iton connections and confirm grounding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.